Yeah, I think some healthy snows for Mayville and other spots. You know, the great snowmobiling up on the Chautauqua Ridge from Sinclairville to Cherry Creek. Some great terrain up there.
Yeah.
And miles of trails. And there's been a couple lean years lately, so getting some good snows. And it's going to stick around. No thaws coming anytime soon. A mini thaw is coming Saturday, but I mean, we'll go to like mid-30s. It's back into the, let's go, deep freezer. Next week looks to be the coldest week of winter. Okay, so we've got a ways to go before we kind of switch things up maybe next month. Windy out there right now. We have wind gusts to 30 miles an hour and certainly still some snow. In fact, you can see that snow just about to Buffalo, and it looks like that snow is going to continue to kind of settle over the southern half of Erie County. It's kind of a wide band. I think it begins to narrow a little bit as we head into this afternoon and evening. A cold front moved through. You noticed it. The winds picked up. Temperatures have been dropping. In fact, we're down to 31 now. But look at to the west of the front. We're only 1 lonely degree in Minneapolis. This one goes to 11 in Milwaukee, 14 in South Bend, and then again a little warmer farther east. But the cooler air, the colder air, is coming in for tonight and tomorrow. A noticeable chill for a couple of days midweek. So future look shows that snow band. This is 1230, focused right over the Hamburg, Orchard Park, East Aurora, Wales, Colden. It looks like down towards Machias in Springville, Gowanda. And then it looks like it kind of hovers there into the afternoon and evening. It does settle south tonight, though, down into Chautauqua County and Cattaraugus County. So some heavier snows for Ellicottville and Ashford and Delavan, extending maybe as far east as Wellsville. Then tomorrow morning, a little bit of a lull, and then the band could be heading back north a bit into southern Erie County before heading south again. Having said all of that, once again, Buffalo is not going to see a whole lot of snow out of this. This is going to be focused across the south towns in the southern tier. So, you know, maybe an inch or two in Buffalo, 3 to 4 inches, though, from South Buffalo to, let's say, West Seneca. But then amounts kind of pick up pretty quickly, 8 to 10. And again, this is through Wednesday for Hamburg, and then 10 to 20 inches from Springville down into Chautauqua County and northern parts of Cattaraugus County, then 1 to 3 as you head towards Olean to Wellsville. Here's a closer look. Again, not much more additional snow in Buffalo, but we will still see some snow showers, another inch or so, 1 to 2. But farther to the south, you can see the amounts begin to ramp up a bit. Again, I think the bullseye, southern Erie County into western Chautauqua County. Similar to some of the events that we've had before, but just not as much as we saw those 2 events in December. All right, long range forecast. Lots to go through here. Snow showers Wednesday, Thursday. It does warm up a bit Friday. Rain and snow showers Saturday. Sunday is at this point looking cold with a chance of snow, and that includes the Bills game. Weather impact alert for the South Towns today, tomorrow for the Southern Tier, Tuesday into Wednesday.
All right. Thank you, Patrick. There is more to